Okay, guys, I'm in Nepal finally. After so many years and so many comments on our social media, we team up with KTM Nepal and we made this project come true. Actually, adventure is the second name of Nepal, so we're gonna have a lot of cool stuff happening, and I'm super excited, man, to host the first, or let's say the biggest motorcycle show in the history of Nepal. So gonna be an exciting thing. So high five. I see I have some fans here in Nepal. So first things first, the second plan of today, I'm also actually discovering Kathmandu city with the 390 Duke, and I'm gonna meet up with motorcycle vloggers here to learn about the motorcycle lifestyle. So I need to go.
Man, we are also here and we will help you to rock Nepal. Okay, let's go.
Let's go ride my bike. Let's make Kathmandu unsafe. Oh, like a motocross. So we came to my stunt spot. That's here to get ready for the show. Before we go to the tricks, the guys want to hear the sound check. It's actually everywhere in the world they want to hear the bike. Also me. Ready for the sound check? Yeah! Okay. We tuned the exhaust so it's really loud. Guys, ready for some tricks?
When you don't have a girl, you take a boy, right? This happens when you have a lot of vloggers, a lot of filming, a lot of questions. So let's go film some shots.
Anywhere in the world, which road or which country you would like to travel with your Duke?
I would like to travel in Austria.
Austria, okay.
My dream bike is a Super Duke 1290.
Okay. I saw his video actually. He's doing motocross style riding with his Duke 200.
Because I like to ride in off-road because I want to feel like that. How does it feel like to ride a naked bike in the off-roads?
In the slipper when you need to catch the balance.
I can so that I can ride it like a supermoto style.
So ride with Sagar. He's very funny when he is riding his bike. So check out his YouTube channel, description below. Sabi, what's your favorite street in Nepal? Where did you go?
BB Highway.
BB Highway?
And Krukut.
Krukut.
BB Highway, Nepal too.
BB Highway. So you can do Rev Mandu, right? Yeah. Remandu. Remandu means in Nepal language what?
It's Rev.
Rev.
And Rev and Mandu. Rev Mandu.
Rev Mandu. What is your favorite road in Nepal? BB Road. Man, everybody loves this BB Road. Next time I come here, I need to try this BB Road. So a lot of traffic and almost empty. It's like illegal racetrack, right? I didn't say that. And what would be if you can choose everywhere in the world? Doesn't matter where.
I want to try it in a racetrack.
Racetrack.
Yeah.
Do you have a specific racetrack in your mind?
In Nepal. We don't have a racetrack in Nepal, so I want to try my RC390 in a racetrack.
So, for example, Misano, where Valentino Rossi is at home.
That will be my pleasure to ride there.
Okay. I mean, we can dream in maybe someday you're gonna race your RC390 on the Valentino Rossi GP track.
We need to kill some time. This is actually a short story about rock. What you see as a 30 seconds in vlog, it takes actually 3 to 4 hours. So we are playing games, we do push-ups. Are you ready for some more? No more push-ups, but we can go grab a beer. Yeah, it's a deal.
I am feeling thirsty and I hear you have the best coffee in the whole world here in Nepal.
Yes.
So should we go for a coffee ride?
Okay, so let's enjoy some coffee.
Dominic, this is more motocross than street riding, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
I love Nepal, man. Woohoo! Coffee time, man. Such an exciting ride.
But really dusty.
Dusty, man. I think my life is shorter for 1 year. What does it say? Warning. If you value your life as much as I value this motorcycle, don't fuck with it. I need this sticker. I need that thing. You have a spare one? You also don't like when they touch your bike, right?
Yes, I don't like someone who touches my bike.
And your girlfriend. Safe. Okay. Yes. Whoa, watch out, Dominic. You dropped something.
It was a crazy ride.
Crazy ride. You shit your pants?
Yep.
Guys, yeah, it was a really fun ride. I learned a lot from you.
Best ride till now. Best ride of my life.
Thank you very much. Rock and roll, bam, 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 bam. Let's have some fun on the show. Rock and roll! And a sick helmet, right? ACDC style. And the event is slowly starting, so we have. We are in Nepal. Let's rock and roll. Man, those guys are crazy.
It's 1 minute before the show, how do you feel?
I'm ready to rock and roll.
Do you think it can get crazier than in Palestine?
It's gonna be, that's a tough one to beat, so let's see if Nepal beats Palestine. Thank you for the vloggers for joining me, everybody on the show, KTM Nepal, and yeah, that's the first part of our trip. We have another crazy one, another crazy one going on. In few days, we're gonna do an extreme thing, and that's it. See you next time. Thanks for coming to the show, and rock on Nepal. Namaste.
Showdown.
Now we go 4,000 meters above in the mountains to have a really an extreme challenge. Stay with us, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Until then, rock on.
Rock on!
Rock on!